Yeah, this is MT Motors here. I've got this C4, Citroen C4 Picasso 2012. There it is. And then car came to me with non-starter. Actually, looks like someone put the jump lead wrongly and then car could not start. But when we checked it, I've seen this Ford code. Yeah, I'm here. Sorry about that, I got customer. Yeah, I got this Ford code, and this is to do with B162C. Okay. A minute. That's 10. That's 20. Yeah. Alright, cheers mate. And don't forget your pizza.
Thank you.
Thank you. And sorry about that, I've got customer delivering. And this is to do with a fuse. I think from the BSI, which module that is around there. I actually fixed the car, but I just meant to do this video for my anyone who is in trouble with this code. That is to do with B162C, Citroen or Peugeot. They are all the same. When I checked it, car was actually really bad. Of whoever did it last time, car came to me with this particular one. Car could not even crank. But this bolt was missing, which is this is the one that controls the starter motor. So put it back in there, managed to crank the car. All fuses here, they were fine, except one fuse, which I can't comprehend. I can't even find to be able to tell there's one there. Where's the flipping thing? Yeah, so it's actually there. This fuse, I can't even get the number to be able to tell you. It's actually this fuse. It is not easy to find. I'm gonna hide the light. Yeah, it's this fuse. It's just next to the number 10, which is 15 fuse. That's the 15 fuse. That's the one that is blown, actually. So this is the one that I removed from there, and I'm gonna put this one there, reset the code, and start the car. And here you are. Just bear with me in a minute. I'm using my phone to video this, fortunately. So I'll put this one there. Oh, come on, I need a hand. I need a hand, man. I need this fuse to be there. I need this fuse to be there. Wilson! So this one goes into that. Easy to film there. Oh, it's not easy to film there. I think let me turn the camera like this. Maybe I'll be able to show you. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, this is what I call typical French. Typical French. They put something somewhere that is always awkward. And it's not only them understand. No, got it wrong. Oh wait, it won't go away and you won't believe it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's try again. This time it will go in. use my hands to push it. No, it's not in. It's not in still. Come on, this light should give me There's something that I push it in. Okay. Now I can go ahead and clear the code. Okay. Clear the code. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Code clear successfully. Now you can start the car. Here you are. Car started with no issue. Thank you for viewing, and please subscribe my channel so you can get notification first video to check at all time. Thank you very much. This one is in there, isn't it? All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.